Welcome to the Kabaddi final match of the first Inter-College Sports Meet 2018 under Bodoland University. And the first two finalist teams are Tamulpur College and Koklabari Chapaguri College. And the first raid is taken by Koklabari Chapaguri College. And you can see Julie Boro, one of the best raider of Assam national team. Here comes Soini Kabusamadhari from Tamulpur College. She is also a national player. She has also represented Assam in senior category in the national games. And a successful raid by Soinika Boro and a small mistake by Joyce Nazari puts her out of the court. Once again, it's Julie Boro from Koklabari Chapaguri College. She's one of the best raiders of Assam, and definitely she is eyeing for a successful raid. And yes, and she has done it. It seems like most of the crowd are in favor of Koklabari Chapaguri College, as you can hear the loud cheers for the Koklabari Chapaguri College. The strongest part of Koklabari Chapaguri College is its defense. Let's see what they can do. Once again, it's Senika Boro who is headed to raid. But something happens and the play has to be stopped. It's official timeout. Yes, the play resumes. Senika Bosamazari is all ready to raid. And let's see what Koklabari Chapaguri College defense can do. Yes. This is really terrific raiding by... And a nice catch by Morisaria! Shanika seems to be injured a bit. And you can find her friends from Koklabari Chapaguri College trying to help her. Raid by Julie Boro from Koklabari Chapaguri College. And you can see Julie Boro using all her skills and trying to make a successful raid. And she is one of the terrific raiders. And see, this is what she can do. She's very terrifying. Here comes Suzubo Zongdari from Tamulpur College. She has represented Tamulpur district in several senior, junior and sub-junior category. She's gained so much of weight these days, which is really declining her game. It seems like whenever Julie Boro heads ahead for raid, the opponents tremble. She is one of the most lethal raiders. And see, within a fraction of a second, a successful raid.
Points to KC College.
Once again, it's Suzu Bosamotari who is... And yes, and that's an easy catch. And this is what Joyce Nazari and Southern Sri Boro is known for. They are the best defenders of Koklabari Chapaguri College. Kabaddi is one of the oldest games ever played, and India is the master of it. And these girls, who are from Koklabari Chapaguri College, represent Salwari district sports team, and they are master of it all over Assam. They have been champions for almost a decade. Tamulpur College team is under pressure now, as the best players are on the bench now, and Koklabari Chapaguri College team looks very dominating right now. Julie from the left corner is trying to push her and she does it. And an easy Luna for Koklabari Chapaguri College. 2 + 1, 3 points. And the score reads 9-1 after Luna, all in for Tamulpur College. Julie Boro seems to be looking for a bonus in the left corner. Yes, and she does it. Most probably it's a successful bonus. Let's see what umpire's decision is. And yes, the umpire gives a bonus in favor of Koklabari Chapaguri College. And Soinika once again
10.
And Joshi Nazari makes a simple mistake once again.
Points to Tamulpur College. 2.
Julie Boro takes a lead. Julie Boro is most lethal with her hand touch. And she has been almost successful in everything. And yes, she does. A knee touch.
Points
This
to
is one of the
Kesri
most
College. 11.
talented hand touch ever, which is striking the knees, because it is difficult to remove your knees, even though you can remove your legs, hips, whatever, but it is most difficult to remove your knees. Namita Bosumatari,
Points to
rather
Kesri
from
College.
Tamulpur College, easily pushed out by Salvari defense. Rosie Goyari, one of the best rather of Assam. She has represented national games in junior category.
Points
And a
to
successful raid.
Kesri College. 13-2.
Suzu Bosumatari, rather of Tamulpur College. Yes, and a successful raid. 1 point for Tamulpur College.
Points to Tamulpur College. 2-13.
Julie Boro, one of the most dedicated Kabaddi players I've ever seen. She's doing her best, trying to make a successful raid. Is a kick and a touch, and a successful one. Sainika must be disappointed as she has been targeted always, and this is the mental game that the opponent is playing against them. Target the best in the opponent and demoralize them. That is a technique being applied by the Koklabari Chapaguri College. And this is why the Koklabari Chapaguri College team is the most feared one, because they have the best defense and one of the best, rather two of the
3.
Assam. And here comes Maina Sorania, the escape artist. She is best known for her ability to escape when the antiques attack her. Generally not a rather, but a defense player who is very good at right cover and popularly known for her stunning super catches. Oh, and that was an easy chant tackle by Koklabari Chapaguri College. Koklabari Chapaguri College has taken a big lead in this match as the score reads 16-3.